Honorable Alfredo Tinay, our barangay captain, Mr. Mario Bali, principal of BNHS, distinguished guests, alumni, teachers, friends, students, Bagakainon, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am deeply honored to be given this privilege to speak before you on the occasion of Bagakay National High School First Grand Alumni Homecoming. Actually, this is my first time to attend an alumni homecoming, either as an alumna or a guest. And I consider myself lucky at the same time because BNHS faculty has finally decided to host its first Grand Alumni Homecoming, which coincided with the Silver Jubilee of our batch 1984, where I belong. This celebration is a historic chapter of the school. However, this would not have been possible if not for the combined efforts of our esteemed faculty and staff that conceived this idea and put together this tremendous and memorable affair. Attending an alumni homecoming is truly a wonderful experience because during this occasion, we once again see and talk in person to our classmates, teachers, our friend and foe alike. It is as if our lives momentarily stopped and we are transported back to memory lane. As we rekindle once again our younger years and the things we did in school, the bad, the good, the funny, the crazy, the foolish, and the brilliant. It was great to grow up here in Bagakay. We had little money, but we learned to enjoy what was available. We did not have electronic games, cell phones, iPods, and the computer internet then, but we were free to learn about nature and enjoy life through physical activities like playing Chinese garter, shatong, sipa, bagol, luksong tinik, and tumbalata. And of course, who could forget that 25 years ago, tears of joy flowed on graduation day, knowing that our 4 years of hard labor is over, and still shed more tears this time of grief and sadness, knowing that you will not see your classmates as you used to be. As we mark our 25 years, let us rejoice and thank the Lord for this blessing, and that we are given another chance to say hello to our classmates, hoping and praying that God will grant us to see each other again and celebrate our golden jubilee 25 years from now. From a humble school, BNHS has grown into a quality institution that provides excellent education to all Bagakainons and people from its neighboring towns and barangays. Despite the challenges it has faced over the years, especially with the closure of the mining operations, let us look at it at the brighter side. For so many years, we were solely dependent on our natural resources, like the copper ore, the coal, and later on the pyrite. Mother Nature has given us so much already, and it's high time we give back.